Here we've got Motorola Moto E20, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Tap on More icon then and select History. Here, select Clear Browsing Data, and you will see basic and advanced options. So mark those that you would like to remove. I would like to perform a full cleanup, so I will mark them all, like browsing history, cookies and site data, cut images and files, saved passwords, out of uniform data and site settings, and then just select the time range. So just mark time range and pick the time from which you would like to remove this data. I will choose all time and tap on clear data. Confirm it by tapping on clear, and that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.